How to do CPA marketing with Craigslist. For this method, you need at least 4 of these following things. First, you need a Gmail account. Is a new account is perfect. And second one, you need a landing page. I'm gonna show you a website where you can create those for free. Third one is domain, but is an optionable. And the fourth one, $5 to $10 ad budget money, because when you come to Craigslist you need at least a minimum amount of money, which is $10 is enough. Now I can walk you through the step-by-step method. First method is creating your Gmail account. So all you have to do is go to Gmail or Google Gmail and create a new account with this. I create this new email account for this method. So after you create that email account, you need to go to a website like Max Bounty or CPA Lead or any CPA offer website and find an offer that you want to promote. Here there's a lots of offers. For example, for this video I'm going to promote this offer here that you can see is about a stimulus benefit. You don't have to worry about this offer, but the important part is USA. So when you come to Craigslist, the Craigslist website is most famous in USA than other countries. Craigslist available worldwide now, so you can separate that search on Craigslist by country like UK, USA, Canada, Brazil, or Asia, something like Africa, something like that. But I recommend to pick an offer that for US, because there are lots of people from US is visiting Craigslist. So this is the offer. For you can see email submit. They have to submit their email in the first page. I'm gonna make $2 per lead. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how you can do that. But you have to remember one thing: when you're promoting your CPA link, which is this link. So this is the link. For example, you can see here. This is a native contextual raw link. So this is the link. You can't just copy this entire link and put it on a Craigslist, because Craigslist traffic are black hat traffic method. So this network like Max Bounty, they know the way the traffic is coming from. If the traffic is directly coming from Craigslist, they will block it and they will ban your account and you can't make any money. So in order to avoid that, you're going to build a landing page, something like this one. I built it within 5 minutes. So with this landing page you can do 2 things. You can collect email, so you can do email marketing late, or you can just redirect that offer to from Craigslist to the landing page, from the landing page to these offers. So the affiliate network doesn't know that traffic is coming from Craigslist, guys. So all you have to do, you have to go to this website. Is called getresponse.com. You don't have to pay for anything. That you can create 30-day free trials where you can create landing pages and everything. So after that, if you started to make money, you can upgrade it to any versions that you want. I also recommend the basic plan. There's a link in the description for GetResponse. Click and sign up today, guys. So what you have to do after you create your free account with it, you have to go to the top of the page and you're going to create landing page. So click this one called create and you're going to create landing page. Now I'm going to walk you through a simple step where you can create the landing page. So I pick this template, select this template and click next step. Now what you do is, you don't need a thank you page. One page is enough. So what you have to do now, just remove everything, because you have to keep it that simple. Click it, delete, click, delete. And you need to keep this one as your title. So what you have to do, just to copy this title here and put it on here, and delete this one. Keep this image if you want, or you can replace the image, adjust the size, and you can see that you can, instead of download down, because I'm offering free guide, but that's why it's showing download now. Or if you go to Max Bounty, you can promote survey offers. So you can say like sign up on the on button here. I'm gonna keep it like this one. So I'm gonna delete this unwanted things like that. Now you can see this is the basic landing page. Everything's deleted, simple title, image, and there's a download button. On the thank you page, I removed everything. I don't want anything. And on here download page, you can double click it and you can see there's a link button where you're going to paste your affiliate link. After that, click OK. And then you can click preview button and see how's the landing page going to look like on desktop. If you click mobile button, then you can see how the landing page look like. After you satisfied with your landing page, click next step. And what you're gonna do here, you can fill certain information like the title of the landing page, description, and also you have to click this one, don't index on the search engine, because don't worry, you are not going to generate any traffic from search engine. This is the URLs here. This is the thing I talking about in the starting of the video. If you have a domain, you can add your custom domain to make like a professional, but there's an optionable. So they will give this custom domain, but you can use the bit.ly to shorten that to make a shorter domain, so don't worry about that. So if you are collecting email address, you have to select which list you want to save this email, because I don't collecting an email address. So I'm clicking publish button and my landing page is ready. So if you click this one, go view your landing page, and it will take to your landing page like this one. So now my basic landing page is ready. Whenever people click this download button or sign up button, depend on your offers, and it will take to the affiliate offers or CPA offers. All they have to put is they have to put the name, address, and a phone number, and I get paid $2 for that, guys. Now this for the half of the part is done, like finding offers, creating a Gmail account, and creating your landing page is ready. Now the end part is uploading, making post on Craigslist, which is a very important part on here. So what you have to do, so if you create your post, you're going to show like this one, where you're going to pay you $5 for 30 days, and your post going to be like that. This is my post for this offers that you can see. And when people I'm going to show you how you can create this post, and how you can reply, and how you can make them people to sign up for your offers. So watch the video until the end, and again, like this video if you really like this video, guys. Now what you have to do, go to Craigslist and create a free account within, or if you don't have a account, don't worry, you can still create a post. By end of the post, what you have to do, you have to create an account to pay money for that, guys. So either way you can do it, or I always recommend create an account first, guys. Now it's depend on the offer that you are promoting. If you're promoting service like surveys and everything, that you can go to gigs and you can hire people to do the service. So in a way you can do the gigs, but for these gigs you have to pay $10, something like that. My one is like a service, so I'm going with this one, service. So click open that service here. That you can see there's lots of different service, and if you watch it carefully, lots of people are doing affiliate marketing type of ad on here. So what you have to do now, after you open the service, click this one called post, and now you have to select the country, select what type of offers, or what type of posting is it, job or gig. So if you are promoting service, I always recommend go with a gig offered, but if you're other type of like a service or ebook or something like that, you can go with the service offered and click continue. Now it's too fast, now go back. Now you have to select what type of service. It's my one more related to finance service, that you can see is $5 per post. Now you have to, for this one is a very important part. What you have to do is copy and paste everything that on the affiliate page, guys, affiliate landing page actually. So what you have to do, copy this one, put it on the title. Now copy this entire thing, put it on the description. So after you put the description on the email section, you have to remember one thing. If you don't create any email address, all you have to do is you have to put this new email that you already created on here. And end of that method, what you have to do is, before you have to pay for that posting, you have to create a Craigslist account with the same email address. Or either way, if you already created a Craigslist account with the email that you newly created, that email automatically appear on here, guys. So this is my new email I created for this gig, so I put it on here. Now what you do, this here you have to select offered virtually. Now on city and neighborhood, because I'm on the Craigslist New York version, US version, so what you have to do is I have to put a postal code on here. So I went to Google and type a New York zip code and select one of them. Doesn't matter, because when people are searching for USA, all this gig will be applied for everyone. So and click continue. And now on the second page is asked you to select an address. You can just select anything that you're on the page on the circle area. After that, what you do, click continue. Now, so after your post is alive on Craigslist, people started to see your post, and they're going to reply to your email address where you put on a Craigslist post. So after you receive the email from lots of people, what you have to do is reply them back with your landing page link inside it. So whenever people sign up for the offers, you get paid for that, guys. Again, so the traffic is coming from the landing page. This is not coming from any other website, guys. So I hope you understand this method. Basically, what you have to do, you have find the CPA offers, create a new Gmail account, and create a free landing page using get response. After that, what you do is put the gig, make a gig on Craigslist and pay around $5 to $10, and your post is alive for 30 days. People started to message you through email asking for the link. Then you send them email back with your link. Then they sign up and you get paid $2 or whatever the money for your offers, guys. I hope you still understand this video. If you really like this video, subscribe, like and share. And have a good day. See you next video, guys.